Exam study guide number 16. We are given the second derivative of a function and told its critical values. It wants to know which of these are maxes or mins. So this is using the second derivative test because we're given the second derivative. Maxes and mins occur at critical values, so any of these values could be maxes or mins. To tell if they are, we are going to take those values and plug them into the second derivative. So if I plug in -4 into the second derivative, so plugging in -4 gives me -89. So f double prime of -4 is -89. Because that value gives us a negative number, that tells us that our graph is concave down. Because the graph is concave down, that critical value we had is a maximum. So we have a max at x equals -4. And do the same thing with the other ones. If we plug in 0, we get 3. Plugging in 3, or I'm sorry, plugging in 0 gives me 3. Because it's positive, it's concave up. Concave up at a critical value tells us we have a minimum. And do the same thing with 3. If we plug in 3, we get -33, negative, so concave down, max at x equals 3. As far as your explanation, I would state that the second derivative at -4 and the second derivative at 3 are negative values. Therefore, the graph is concave down and looks like this, which means that critical number is a maximum. Exactly the opposite with x equals 0. If I plug it in to the second derivative, we get positive, concave up, graph looks like this. Therefore, we have a minimum at x equals 0.